Guys, so Ike here reporting on year 3 after I career changed into digital marketing. So I started to head back to the office just like on average like once a week, since now there's a protocol saying we need to return like I think it was like 4 times a month. So yeah, that's average like once a week. So once in a while I'll be in the office, and right now I'm just hanging out, enjoy my lunchtime at a park nearby. And yeah, my office is located right by the World Trade Center. Or actually, it is in the World Trade Center in New York City, Manhattan. And yeah, it's pretty nice there. The environment's good. What is it? There's a lot of rooms that I could just like sit in and just have like meetings and stuff there. So working from home is nice, which majority of the time I still do. But once in a while going to the office, it's a good refresher, for me. So I do enjoy it. It's one of the few times I get my workouts as well. So yeah. So year 3, how am I liking everything? Yeah, everything's good. I'm a lot more confident in my SEM skills, search engine marketing, right, BBC skills. That's for one thing, but now I'm kind of I'm still training for a managerial role in my company, and hopefully I'll get promoted there soon. I did get a pay raise of about 4% from last year. So that's not. I guess that's pretty standard. I think. So yeah, things are not so bad. So one update I can make is I've been teaching a lot these days to my junior associates. I've been getting some pretty great feedback. I do. I'm not gonna say I have the passion for it, but I do enjoy teaching. Um, Stuff about SEM, or just about work or work ethics, or whatever in general. Um, so I'm actually thinking of this year. I've actually had a few people reach out to me um, about, kind of entertaining the idea of coaching or mentoring. I thought I wasn't so ready, with that back then. But I feel like I'm capable now. I'm more like I was, more like I was actually pretty lazy about that before. But I feel like now, I could definitely offer that service. So the coaching and mentorship program I'm looking to add to a program is, of course, on SEM, BBC, like Google Ads, such, just like the basics, and then just kind of getting you ready for an entry-level position in this field. Having kind of like one-on-one coaching calls, like once a week,